Scott Corey here with Key Leads. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on what you could do to actually bring more customers into your site and really help you close more deals and help grow your business here. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Everything that you say is content. Even these pictures here is content behind it. Google sees all this as well. You got UV back there. You can actually switch that out. Do buyer's intent keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings, so you can actually draw those leads in off of Google. Plus, talking about keywords as well, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer in those keywords. Those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're actually being found. So that's your first tip, just really being about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being ranked for those keywords as well. But if I go inside of Google here and type in Handyman Franklinville, NJ, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map here at the very top. You have a bunch of businesses competing to get to the top 3 sections, where the top 3 is really where all is dragging all that traffic in. And to get to the very top there, you're going to be dealing with, what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally, what you'd want to do is come in and go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely annihilate them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you did on this Google My Business listing, or the map pack area, whatever you want to call it. So underneath this map section, we have the first page of Google here, and really to find your pages here or your site, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content, making sure that you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your site that's just really pushing power to it so you can actually get on that first page of Google. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, it doesn't show any backlinking done. No referring domains, no keywords you're being found for. So you're not really getting any traffic. So it's just kind of like an online business card. You kind of have to hunt for it for you even to be found there. But let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Brennan Contracting. They do handyman work type stuff, whatever. But I stuck them inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes. Nobody's really doing any backlinking here as well, so they're not getting any traffic either. But so there's actually a golden opportunity to come in here and really grab some of these keywords and really start bringing in that traffic, because nobody's really ranking for anything. It seems like nobody's really knows what they're doing. But so some of these keywords, I kind of want to give you an example. Handyman South Jersey, there's about 70 clicks a month just with that one keyword. And this guy's 29th position where nobody's really ranking for it. This one is this KD right here. This stands for keyword difficulty. So that would actually be about, really quick, a lot faster than something being about 60, 70, 80 or whatever to rank. But a 1, it's 0 or a 1 is really easy. The time involved to get that thing ranked is actually very slim to none. And then Handyman Brick NJ Franklinville NJ County. There's another 80 clicks there. That has a 10 KD, so it's a little bit harder, but a little bit more time and whatnot. But anyway, so even if you want to look at deck builds, stairs, anything with decks or builds as well, you can also add on to those keywords. But so really you want to find all those keywords you want to rank for those specific jobs, and really just enough backlinking so you can actually get on that first page of Google and really start bringing in that traffic is really what you want to shoot for, and it really comes to those authoric backlinks. But anyway, hopefully you've seen any value in anything that I went over. I would love to put a custom game plan to help to get to where you're going. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to talking soon. Bye.